What's up YouTube, it's DaBossella, and if you want to know how I use these Dollar Tree kitchen items, then just keep watching. Hey YouTube, what's up? It's DaBossella, and I'm here today with a Dollar Tree makeup hack. Well, we'll see if it works or if it's a fail. Alright, so if you are ready to dive, into these Dollar Tree makeup hacks, then just keep watching. Alright. I'm in my rickety chair, so I'm gonna let y'all know that now. I love these earrings. These are some earrings that I got for $1.99 from a store called City Trends when I was in Fort Smith, Arkansas. I love these. Alright, so let's jump right into this. Now, the craze right now is the silicone sponges. Correct me. I don't have a silicone sponge. All I have is I don't even have the beauty blender. I have Real Techniques that I cut in half because it's just too big, and I like for it to be small and right in my hand like that. I like to work with it like that. But so back to the silicone. They got everything from just all kinds of things that people are trying right now. So I thought I might bring you a few silicone pieces from the Dollar Tree, and we're gonna see if they work with makeup application. Now, the first silicone product that I have from the Dollar Tree is this garlic peeler, and these are, well, I don't know if they're silicone. Let's see. It says protects the hands and eyes, non-stick and flexible, and yes, this is 100% food grade silicone. Okay, and these are what these look like. And then I picked up the Betty Crocker spatula. You see that? And then they also have a spatula with this little flat end here, and then a larger end here. And then as far as silicone, I also got this tea infuser set because it has this silicone pad in here. Alright, so let's open these garlic peelers, and this is what they look like. Just a piece of silicone. You can see that. I'm going to wipe mine off because, you know, came from the factory. I don't want to put it directly on my face. Alright, so we got this. We are going to try to apply some makeup. This is just water in here. I am going to dampen my little beauty blender. I know it looks gross, but it's not. I promise it's not. It's not. And I am going to use a little bit of my matte poreless Maybelline, and this is number 332. I don't know, I just changed shades all of a sudden. I was like in a 330, but I went to a 332. I thought it'd be dark, but it's okay. Alright, so this is makeup application with a beauty blender. Alright, there's a lot of patting there, guys. We are patting a mighty lot, okay? Alright, so that is my Real Techniques side, and that went on fairly smooth. But now I'm going to take this, and I don't know, I probably need to pour this on the back of my hand, but I'm going to just put my makeup here. Just a little dab right there. Well, it's not really a dab, but y'all see that? And I'm going to try to put it on with this garlic peeler, guys. Okay. Now, as far as the actual application, this side is looking just a little more full coverage. Now look at this side. This side, is a lot more full coverage. Okay, so this is the garlic peeler silicone, and it puts your makeup on. Let me see, get back. Let's see. This is the side with the garlic peeler, and then this is the other side that I did with the Real Techniques blender. I kind of like this side, guys. I don't know. This is winning right now. This is the garlic peeler from the Dollar Tree, and it is silicone. Alright, so I am going to try. Okay, so next we have the Betty Crocker. Alright, this is the Betty Crocker spatula, and it is, it doesn't say if it's silicone or not. Doesn't say if it's silicone or not. But I'm going to try to put some makeup here on my chin with it. I already have some makeup there, but just to see the application. Now y'all see the side that I did the garlic peeler on, silicone, and then this side that I did the beauty blender on looks a little suspect. Alright, so I got a little drop here, and I'm going to put it on my chin. And if you like a full coverage look, you can definitely get it with the spatula. You see that? Alright, that gives you a full coverage look. So you can definitely use the Betty Crocker spatula and the garlic peeler. So far, these two are good. Alright. So let's just keep on going, you know. Sometimes you just don't have the funds to get all this new stuff that comes out, but that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help y'all. Get it. Okay, so this is the tea diffuser, and we don't need this part. Although, if this end didn't have these leaves on it, you can use it, but this is where I think you put this over your teacup to what am I trying to say? Come on, what am I trying to say? So you put this part over your teacup. That's what this is for. It has this side, and then it has this side, and we're going to use the smooth side to apply some concealer. Alright, so I'll put a little concealer on under here and see what that does. Alright, so on this side we have used a silicone tea diffuser little thingy here to apply our concealer, and I'm going to put some on this side also. And I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend this out. Okay, so already I can see this L'Oreal Techniques blender is good. But the side that I did, wait a minute guys, the side that I did the silicone on gives you a more of a full coverage look. So this is the, I guess beauty blenders make you look more natural, but if you want to look like super made up and having all this makeup, then I don't know. Silicone's good. Alright, so we got one more thing to try, and that's this Betty Crocker spatula. And it looks like this. Okay. So I am going to put some makeup on my forehead. That's where I don't have any makeup. I'm going to put just a little on here. And we're going to see if we can get this spatula. Oh, that's too much. I know I got a big forehead, but dizzle. Alright, so we're going to try this. Oh, yes. That's good for this big old forehead, though. Alright, so spatula on the forehead works wonderfully. No problemo. Alright, so let's recap, guys, on what you can go try at the Dollar Tree. Alright, we used the tea infuser, the Betty Crocker spatula, this Betty Crocker spatula, and the garlic peeler, and they all gave me full coverage. Alright, so y'all saw for yourself. You can look. Let's zoom in. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Don't worry about the pimples on my face. Zoom, zoom. Alright. Now we're going to zoom, zoom on this side. Zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom. Zoom. That gives you a more of a natural look on this side. And I'm kind of hairy, so I like the way the silicone laid the foundation into my hairiness. Whereas over here, my hairiness is still very, very visible. Alright, so these are Dollar Tree makeup applicators hacks that you can use to apply your makeup. If you can't go get the silicone applicators that everybody's using, the silicone sponges, then go to the Dollar Tree and pick up you a garlic peeler, a spatula, or a tea infuser. Alright, well, I will talk to y'all later. Pass it on, honey. See you in the next video. Bye.